guys, welcome back to our channel, Team Hoover Vlogs. So today is camping inside our apartment or outside the hallway or in front of our doorway. So because kids can't or not allowed to go outside here in the Philippines, me and my husband plan to make this stay memorable for us and the kids, and we made this bucket list. So the bucket list is doing a camping. So even though we are inside the house, stay at home, kids can feel that we went to a camping park or a mountain. So first, I made this place or our hallway look nice. So I made our laundry hanging thing for make it as a tent, because kids tent is very big and it's not gonna fit in the hallway. So as you can see, I covered it, put lights in it, and make it so cute. And then I also put some chairs and decided to put a carpet in the floor so it looks better and it's we can sit on it. So here's the look. The plants add on to the ambience, and I put throw pillow in the floor too so we can sit on it later. So I made a tree. It's just a colored paper stick together in a mop stick, so the kids can have tree. And I had my husband draw an owl because I'm not good drawing. So here it is, guys. Kids are enjoying it, and we turned off or took the bulb up the the light area, so it's better for the kids. It's darker. So I decided to mute all the sound of ours because we have the neighbor next to our apartment having karaoke. So I don't want the music to have like a copyright for our video. So guys, hope you enjoy our video. I have some inspiration for it to have kids doing activity at home. And we also thank for Mr. Driver of I think it's Lala Move, that bought our dinner from Burger King. So while we're waiting for our dinner, our kids having fun and playing around in the tent. So here it is, guys, our Burger King dinner. We had burger and french fries, and kids had a blast and they love it so much. So I use my phone from YouTube, having this a flame or firewood, and put it in the middle, so it has this fire vibe or campfire vibe. So it would be nice if we have the marshmallow in the fire to have add on it, but we don't have. But still, it was fun having this experience with the kids just inside our house. So guys, see you in our next bucket list. Bye.